If your skin has been feeling dry, dull, or just not as smooth lately, this is something you might want to try. This is the GHK-Cu Whipped Tallow Honey Balm with methylene blue. I was gifted it from HealthyDerm, and the texture is honestly one of my favorite things about it. It's thick and whipped, but once you warm it up, it melts right into your skin. You can see how it gives that nice glow without looking too heavy or greasy. This formula uses methylene blue, which is known for its antioxidant properties, which can help support the skin against environmental stressors and visible signs of aging. It also has copper peptides, which are commonly used in skincare to help support the look of firmer, more elastic skin over time. The base is tallow and honey, which is super moisturizing. Tallow is especially interesting because it's similar to our skin's natural oils, so it feels really nourishing and absorbs well. I personally like using this at night or anytime my skin feels extra dry and needs something a little bit richer. If you're looking for a simple, deeply hydrating balm that leaves your skin looking smooth and healthy, this is one to check out.